Hello, and welcome to the short video on a Kupo Slider Stand. A slider stand is purposely built for supporting a camera slider. However, it can be used for so much more. This steel stand is easy to carry around at only 12.76 pounds. Yet it is solid enough to support an impressive 79.2 pounds or a combined 158.4 pounds. I think I weigh under 160 pounds. Time to switch to light beer. The slider stand features a junior 1 1/8 inch receiver to accept any grip gear or accessories with a junior pin, such as this butt plug. A memory collar to quickly return the stand to a previous height. This stand features 2 leveling legs, allowing you to extend these legs further than the others to help you level the stand on an incline or uneven terrain, such as stairs. Kupo includes a center column mounted bubble level to make sure your stand is level. Let's put these bad boys to work and quickly get our slider and camera rigged. First, we'll open our slider stand by turning the knob on the top of the leg casting counterclockwise. Then we'll spread open the legs until the struts are parallel to the floor, and then we'll tighten the knob to secure. Now we'll sandbag our stands to prevent them from tipping over and prevent them from sliding on the floor. Now we'll drop a junior to baby stand adapter, a butt plug as the pros call it, into the junior receiver, then tighten the knob to secure. Now mount your slider on top of the baby pins. Next, mount the video head onto the slider. Lastly, mount your camera on the head and you are ready for some awesome slider shots. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.